Hello everyone. In this video I am going to share a trick that can help you in saving lots of time in extracting competitors LinkedIn post information. So I have a code that you need to just copy it and paste it in the Google Chrome console section. So just right click anywhere and click on inspect. After this, navigate to the console section and paste this. Now click enter. Now here we have a post information. As you can see, the feed post Utkarsh Bhushan. Let me clear mode. Just a sec. Okay, so as you can see, the type of post is feed. Okay, SEO expert is the group who I am posted is. So my name is coming Utkarsh Bhushan. 3 days before, 3 days. Now here is the content. So what this code did, so basically this is a web page and every web page contains different section, and this code selects all the section that have a specific class name div.feed share update v2, and once it has found all the section with that class name, it loops through each section one by one using a for loop, and during each iteration it retrieves the text content of the current element using the inner text property, and then logs it to the console using the console.log method. And here's a trick: you have to make sure your all the LinkedIn posts should be loaded here, because this code will extract only those post information that are loaded on your profile or any computer's profile. You can apply this code on any profile, on your computer's profile or any one profile. Just okay, so just load it. Okay, cool. Now after that, what you can do, you can just copy it, as you can see you can get impressions, comment, like, hashtags, everything. Now just open the and paste your data. Okay, so after pasting on Excel, you can clean your data and sort your data. You can apply various techniques to filter data, clean the data, and after that you will have some insights or some themes of your competitors LinkedIn post, where you can see which post has received a maximum impression, likes, comments, and what was the date of that post. So this is how you can analyze your competitors LinkedIn post strategy and all. So this is all for today. I will post this, I will add a Google Drive link in the description box. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section, and thanks for watching.